Magandang araw, Go Negosyantes! Break muna tayo sa ating provincial adventures dahil ngayong araw na ito, makakasama natin ang ating advocacy partners, ang Multiply at ang Uno International Corporation na mag-aatid sa atin ng mga kwentong may inspirasyon and of course, mga practical business tips. And of course, makikilahok rin po tayo sa mga iba't ibang Go Negosyo events sa iba't ibang lugar dito sa ating bansa. I'm Bam Aquino at ito ang SME Go. Let's go! Multiply has upgraded features that cater to the unique needs of different enterprises, such as events companies like the Super Sale Bazaar. Okay, ladies, now we're featuring multipreneurs, and you are multipreneurs, no? Today we'll be talking about Super Sale Bazaar. Okay, tell us about Super Sale Bazaar.
Okay, so Super Sale Bazaar, we created it last 2009. We're actually 3 partners, 3 girls. Ginawa namin to kasi we actually have clothing lines, like we own Moonshine, and then our partner Celine has her own clothing line also. We all sell on Multiply, and then wala lang, we always join bazaars. We met in the bazaar, during bazaar, so ginawa
Parang
namin.
ikaw na naman ah!
Oo nga eh, parang we're always magkatabi sa bazaar eh. So,
Okay.
we thought na parang, we can do better, much better than these bazaars. So, that's what we did. We
Okay.
created our own bazaars. It started as a truck show, small thing lang, and then it grew to, right now, we're now in SMX and World Trade Center.
Okay, so what was the biggest challenge with putting up your own bazaar?
I guess ultimately the biggest challenge was yung para kumuha ng mga tenant na magbibilib din naman sa amin, nasasali din sa mga bazaar namin. Pero kasi din, nakita nila na okay rin naman kami makabenta, and then malakas din yung hatak namin. And like when we were still joining bazaars, our brands were one of the few brands that talagang pinupuntahan. So kung gumawa kami ng bazaar, the others kind of started to feel the faith na kung sumali sila sa amin, marami din silang kamay hatak na sa
Kumbaga may credibility kasi
Yes.
you were
Yeah.
also bazaar
Bazaarista before.
bazaarista.
Yeah,
Okay.
bazaarista.
Were you online right away?
No, not yet. On July 13 to 15, it's gonna be our 14th bazaar. So, for the past few bazaars, we didn't until like we found out that you can pay through Multiply, you can use Multiply to do all your transactions pala. So,
Okay.
we did it last
On the-
bazaar,
yes, the
on our
last one.
13th bazaar.
Okay, so lucky number 13,
Lucky
no?
number
Yes.
13 actually.
But it's actually very lucky number
Yeah.
13 because of Multiply. Talagang napadali ang buhay namin sobra because parang there are many things, there are many factors even for online sellers, not just for events. You have to make sure na the person's really paying legitimately. Pag nag-bank deposit, na-deposit pa talaga, or kailangan mag-meet up para kumuha ng pera.
Okay.
Through Multiply, they were able to help us in collecting, in talking to these people. Tsaka sila din parang nagtitiwala din sa amin ang mga shopper, ay mga tenant kasi alam nila na we're being backed up by Multiply.
What was the reaction of your tenants? Nasa isip ba nila, nako, online to, baka peke na to, ganyan? Or were they also as enthusiastic as a non-online bazaar?
There was mixed emotions. Yung iba parang, ang hassle naman, hindi ko alam paano gamitin tong internet na to, blah, blah, blah. But then, binigyan namin sila ng procedures and talagang madali naman talaga. Like step by step, there's only 8 steps, nakakabayad na sila kaagad. As opposed to they have to meet with us here in
Yeah.
Makati. Iba naman hindi nakakaabot. Sayang the time, sayang the
Transportation,
pamasahe.
yeah,
Yes.
exactly. Was it weird na it was the first time you met all of your tenants at your last bazaar na doon lang kayo nagkita-kita lahat?
Hindi naman, kasi even in the other events, we don't get to meet everyone din. But it's also very pleasant na pagdating dun, oh, hi, you finally put a face to the name na kung sino kausap mo, na nagkainisan na pala kayo, parang ang bait-bait pala when you meet each other and face to face, your friends na pala.
So is this the future of bazaars? Alam ko, Pinoys are crazy about bazaars, right?
Yes, they are. They're crazy about sales, actually.
Yeah.
Sales.
So is this the future of putting up bazaars? Everything is online. You see each other
Yes.
on the day itself.
Yeah.
When you talk about online, kasi it has to be the whole thing. It's not just putting your products there, but the whole transaction, the whole shipping procedure, everything. Like you can do everything there at one go or one click. So yeah, I guess this is the future of bazaars, events actually.
The future of the world is online na rin naman,
Yeah.
diba? So at least we had the first step na tinulungan kami ng Multiply. They sat us down, they explained it to us, and it really helped us talagang nakatulong. It was so convenient.
Were there more people who registered for your bazaars because of being on Multiply?
Yes, actually.
Yeah, kasi they see it, the Multiply, there's this marketplace na mga ads. So nakita
Yeah,
nila yung
nakita
mga
nila.
purchases ng tao. They see our small ads there, and then kahit yung maliliit lang namin na ads, those little ads, they really help. And because of that exposure, para maraming, ay, sali nga tayo dyan. Some kasi di naman nila alam kung ano yung bazaar namin.
I
Tapos
see.
dahil doon, parang, may ganitong bazaar, sali nga tayo, tingnan nga natin.
Yeah.
It's a trusted seller naman kami.
And how many tenants are we talking about in as big a place as SMX or World Trade Center?
Around 300.
Wow.
300.
So 300 tenants going online, signing up,
Yes.
Yes.
and basically doing business with you guys, no?
Yes.
Paano kayo yung multiply nila? Parang gano'n, di ba? Okay. So the tenants who sign up for the Super Sale Bazaar, not everyone has the same charges, right?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell us about that?
Well, the rates kasi depend on kung ano yung booth na kinuha, kung gusto nilang logo inclusion. Maraming ibang add-ons to make their booth more premium or whatever. So, meron din kami option na ganun sa Multiply. Hindi na yung parang you have to trace it kung ano na ba yan or hindi. Because of Multiply, parang we have these different options. So, they just pick the different options as if they're buying a shirt, a bag,
Yeah.
shoelaces to add on. It's parang like that lang, but bazaar terms.
Okay.
Actually, dati nahihirapan kami because we have semi-corner booth, we have a regular booth, we have a premium booth. So, most of the tenants sometimes they get confused. Like, they think like, for example, a booth is 15,000 for regular and 16 for like, for a corner booth. And they usually, like, kunwari, when they reserve a corner, they pay for 15 only. So, we have to
Habulin mo pa yung
habulin pa
1,000.
namin yung 1,000.
Okay.
We like,
So, ngayon,
can you pay
meron
your
ng
balance of
option.
1,000? Now, it says there clearly that premium, for example,
Yes.
50,000, and you could just click the link and then
Yes.
that's it.
I know that you have an upcoming bazaar soon, so maybe you
Yeah.
could invite our viewers.
Yes, so we'd like to invite everyone to apply or to come shop with us July 13 to 15 at the World Trade Center. If you'd like to apply for it, just email us at supersalebazaar@yahoo.com. We'll give you all the application details there. Now, everything is done online, so you don't have to visit us, you don't have to do anything but email us.
So any advice for other young entrepreneurs na nakikinig sa atin?
Well, it's really just go for it kung ano yung passion mo.
Yeah.
Gawin mo, like, it's not that difficult.
You
to
can
just give it a shot.
You can start small and then you can just take a photo, upload your photo through Multiply or something, and then there you go. It's really, really easy right now.
You build your capital from Multiply,
Yeah.
mag-join ka ng bazaar, di mas
Yeah.
marami ka pang benta.
And you join their bazaar, di ba?
Our bazaar.
Okay. Find out how Multiply can help you grow your business today. Browse through www.multiply.com or call 02-655-0937.
This segment is brought to you by the Outstanding Filipino Awards.
What is a social enterprise? A social enterprise po is basically an institution that does the work of a non-government organization, sister, hello, that does the work of a charitable institution, but we do our work through business. The way that we gather our funds and do the things that we need to do is done through business. Rather than getting donations, which is the usual way that a charitable institution will get its revenue, we engage in business. And specifically, we engage in business with poor women in the countryside. enterprise itself is something that we are very, very passionate about. Not just for Happy Noy, but in terms of the nanays. Because pagdating po sa mga nanays na tinutulungan namin, the first thing that we tell them is that kung gusto nyo talaga ng isang paraan that can really help get you out of poverty, that can help transform your lives, you really get into enterprise. Magnegosyo talaga tayo. Because ang experience po namin with the nanays is that many of them did not finish high school. Many of them have, sometimes they have problematic families. But if their businesses are growing, if their businesses are sustainable, marami pong pwedeng pakuha ng mga gandang bagay ang isang negosyo na sustainable at kumikita.
Prosperity through entrepreneurship. No? Bob was saying yung the idea about social entrepreneurship, no? Yung sabi ng mga tao na hindi daw pwede pagsabayin, yung doing good and earning money, hindi daw pwede pagsabayin. No, I think in firm, we have been successful in doing that. Doing well while doing good. Ibig sabihin, pwede naman kumikita ka habang gumagawa ka ng mabuti. Because when you talk to people, they always say, bata pa ako, sinasabi ng parents ko sa akin, no, maybe the parents in the room, you know, you can see if you can agree with me, sinasabi niyo sa mga anak ninyo, nasabi sa inyo ng mga parents ninyo or lola-lola ninyo, anak, mag-aral ka ng mabuti para pag-graduate mo, makahanap ka ng magandang trabaho. Nasasabi ba yan sa inyo? Sinabi niyo ba sa mga anak ninyo yan? Tapos may dagdag na ngayon, may new version na para makahanap ka ng magandang trabaho sa abroad. Di ba? Para makapagpadala ka ng dollar at ang buong pamilya natin pwede na mag-retiro. No, I talk to so many people, they say, you know, I'm working abroad and my whole family is waiting for my monthly remittance. No, and I talk to students and they say, basta pag-graduate ko, maghahanap ako ng trabaho. Kung wala akong makita sa abroad dito sa Pilipinas. No, I think we owe it to ourselves to teach our children that there are two choices in life. After you graduate, it's not just about becoming an employee. There's a choice. You can become an entrepreneur.
Asia's biggest 4-in-1 franchise show is back. The Philippine Franchise Association invites you to start your journey to success with Franchise Asia Philippines 2012 on July 25 to 29 at the SMX Convention Center.
Mga ka-Go Negosyo, kilalanin natin ang ating mga bagong kapartner sa advokasya, ang UNO International Corporation, na kaisa natin sa pagsulong ng entrepreneurship sa bansa.
MLM multi-level marketing or network marketing is actually a channel of distributions of products and services through word of mouth and I would say through people as our distributors. Unlike the traditional business, which is gumagamit sila ng tri-media, TV, radio, newspapers, or even celebrities. So yung expenses, because of using this tri-media, yun naman yung binibigay namin as rewards sa mga distributors na nagmamarket ng mga products ng UNO. Ang advantages ng UNO over traditional businesses, unang-una yung capital, medyo mas maliit siya. And of course, compared to traditional businesses, wala tayong tinatawag dito ng mga overhead expenses such as franchising fee, rental, or utilities, or even compensation or salaries sa mga employees. Not to mention, yung potential ng income is mas malaki, lalong-lalo na doon sa mga talagang hardworking. Kasi yung overhead expenses na supposedly binabayaran nila sa rental, sa franchising fee, is nawawala na yon. Kaya yung profit nila is nagiging mas malaki.
Almost 10 years kami nag-network before tinayo tong UNO. So kaya lang may mga sad experiences kami sa mga nasalihan namin kasi after 1 year, 2 years, nagsasara na yung mga company sinalihan namin. Bilib na bilib kami sa konsepto ng network marketing, kaya lang wala na yung tiwala namin sa ibang company. Since kami naman lagi yung top leader ng company sinalihan namin, we decided to put up our own na lang. So more on accidental tong uno.
Ako mismo, I started as an employee. 11 or 12 years din ako naging empleyado. Yung kaibahan is nakita ko yung advantages ng pagiging isang negosyante. Nagtatrabaho ka kung magkano yung gusto mong kitain.
Yung mga parents namin talaga, ini-encourage kami, bata pa kami na mag-aaral ka mabuti, no? Para malaman mo yung in and outs, no? Paano yung negosyo ka. And usually sa iba, ang sinasabi, mag-aaral ka mabuti para magkaroon ka ng magandang trabaho.
Objective namin, yung kami kasi galing din kami sa wala, no? Tapos gumanda yung buhay namin dahil sa network marketing. Yun ang objective namin, tinayo namin uno para ituloy yung yung advocacy na yun. Ang vision namin dito sa company, to become number 1 sa country natin, di ba? Yun ang una, which is na-achieve na natin. So ang next namin, to become number 1 sa buong mundo naman.
In 5 years of operations, we have more or less 100 branches nationwide. We also have international branches such as in Hong Kong and in Macau. And yung maganda rito, very soon we will be opening up in Indonesia, also in areas of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and USA. And not to mention, we also have created 500 or more than 500 distributors who are already millionaires on their own. And sa product lines naman, we started 5 years ago with only 3 products. Right now, we have almost 40 products. And parami pa ng parami.
May mga challenges sa lahat naman ng businesses, no? So may tinatawag tayong mga bad eggs sa company or sa marketing, which is yung usually nagmi-misrepresent. Okay, ito na nga yung marketing plan namin, ginagawa nilang mga shortcuts para mas mabilis yung transaction. Pero in a way, nakaka-damage ang company pag may mga nagreklamo. Karamihan sa amin, mga estudyante, no? So, yung iba, maganda yung ginagawa nila kasi imbis na tumambay, imbis na magbisyo or drugs or mag-uminom lang ng buong hapon, at least, productive sila dahil ginagawa nila uno. Pero meron naman iba na sinushortcut na naman, sasabihin sa mga estudyante na wag na mag-enroll, yung enrollment fee, i-join mo na ng uno at mag-focus na sa uno. Which is talagang hindi namin pinapayagan yun kasi yung long-term effect nun, magagalit yung mga social community like yung mga parents, religious group kasi hindi namin tinotolerate. Actually, may mga award kami na pag tumaas yung grades mo at kumita ka dito, may mga awards ka matatanggap. Yung future plans namin na syempre, improve lahat from products. Hindi kami titigil hanggat hindi makompleto yung lineup niya na halos lahat ng basic commodities sa bahay magkakaroon kami. Tapos pangalawa, yung mga office natin, syempre palalaki natin lahat yan halos kasi hindi na nga magkasya from head offices hanggang sa mga business centers namin nationwide at worldwide. Tapos, yun nga, yung nakaraan lang, na-certified tayo na ISO certified kasi gusto natin yung company natin, yung management, globally standard. Yun. At marami pa. Tapos next na namin, ma-awardan na sa super brands or trusted brand.
Regarding Manny Pacquiao, he started as a distributor. Distributor siya, no? Ng Uno mismo. Nakita niya yung ganda ng negosyo ng Uno mismo. And then right after that, we requested for a meeting with him. And during that meeting, we find out that we have the same passion. Yung passion na tumulong sa kapwa Pilipino, sa mga kababayan natin na mabigyan ng magandang negosyo. Hindi lang niya mismo tinutulungan yung negosyo ng Uno, kung hindi ikinakampaign niya pa yung Uno sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin sa buong mundo. Yung maganda rito sa Uno is ang ibinibigay sa iyo hindi employment, ang in-offer sa iyo is actually a business. Wala kang boss dito, gigising ka kung anong oras gusto mong gumising, pupunta ka kung saan gusto mong pumunta, kakausapin mo kung sino gusto mong kausapin, kikilos ka kung magkano yung gusto mong kitain.
Sa mga ka-go negosyo natin dyan, ang advice lang ko lang sa inyo pag magninegosyo kayo, kailangan talagang pag-aaralan niyo mabuti. Kailangan hands-on kayo, totoo kayo sa negosyo niyo. And dapat lagi may bagong ideas, no, na talagang lumalabas, no. It takes time, no, para maka-take off, no. So, pero definitely, pag alam mo ginagawa mo, magiging successful yan.
Kung meron kang alam na traditional business at meron kang kapital, you go for it. Pero kung wala kang kapital, and yet gusto mo maging financially stable, subukan nyo ho yung negosyo ng Uno. Dito sa negosyo na to, ang puhunan mo lang yung sipag, yung tiyaga mo, yung determinasyon mo, at yung pangarap mo na maabot yun. Dito sa Uno, lahat ng pangarap mo, walang imposible.
Hapinoy, empowering the nation, one sari-sari store at a time. For more information, call 02-920-9580 or visit www.hapinoy.com.
This segment is brought to you by the Outstanding Filipino Awards.
Huwag pahuhuli sa mga latest Go Negosyo events. Halina't samahan natin ang mga ka-Go Negosyo natin sa Go Negosyo sa Barangay na ginanap sa Tagbilaran City, Bohol. Negosem Basics sa RFM Auditorium, Mandaluyong City. Kidopreneur Bazaar sa Makati City.
Natin pwedeng palampasin ang finale ng FYI Inter-School Social Business Competition na ginanap sa De La Salle University, Manila.
So FYI is Filipino Youth Innovation, the Inter-School Social Business Competition. So it's organized by the Inter-University Management Alliance together with Geekonomics. So Geekonomics is GK's partner in social enterprise development, while Inter-University Management Alliance, or IMA, is the alliance between the business organizations of UP Ateneo Lasal. Ang aming thrust is to produce business leaders who will actually lead the country towards social progress. Blessed kami na makareceive ng ganitong quality of education, and sayang naman if we're just gonna use our talents for the multinationals, whereas we can actually contribute naman to our own country, diba?
Mga ka-Go Negosyo, maraming salamat sa inyong pagsama sa amin. Sana'y nakapulot kayo ng inspirasyon at mga tips para sa inyong negosyo. I'm Bam Aquino at ito ang SME Go. Huwag kalimutang bumili ng Go Negosyo Books, lalo na ang pinakabagong 50 Inspiring Stories of Young Entrepreneurs, kung saan kasama ang kwento namin ng aking business partner. Available po yan sa lahat ng leading bookstores nationwide.